In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in Wix Studio using global.css and classes. First, open your Wix Studio editor. Head to your Wix Studio dashboard and click Edit Site. The editor will open in a new tab, and that's where we'll do all our work today. Next, enable developer mode so you can access the coding tools. Look to the left side menu and click the code icon, the one that looks like curly brackets. When prompted, choose Start Coding. Give it a moment while the tools load. You'll see a code panel appear on the left, which confirms developer mode is active. Now let's create your global CSS file. In the code panel, click the code section or switch to the CSS tab if you're currently in page code. Under CSS, click the option to add a file named global.css. If you already see global.css, just open it. This file is special because anything you put here can style your entire site, which is perfect for consistent design. Before writing any CSS, add a custom class to the element you want to style, so the change only affects what you intend. In the editor, select the element like a container or a box. On the right side panel, find CSS classes and click Add Custom Class. Give it a clear, unique name such as BoxXX and click Add. Good naming helps you stay organized, especially as your site grows. Back in global.css, create a selector using a dot followed by the class name you just added. For example, you would target .box-xx. Inside those curly braces, add the CSS properties you want. You might use a light gray background, add 20 pixels of padding round the corners with a 12 pixel border radius, and apply a soft drop shadow for depth. That combination creates a clean, modern card look. If you ever choose to style a default class like .box, remember it will affect every element that uses that class across the entire site. Use that approach only when you truly want a global change. When you're done, save your work with Ctrl or ZCMD+S or by clicking Save in the editor. Time to preview and publish. Click the preview icon to see your changes on both desktop and mobile. Confirm that only elements with your custom class like BoxXX were updated and that other containers remain unchanged. If everything looks right, click Publish in the top right to make your custom CSS live. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.